Okay, so sourdough. You've heard the word, you've heard the hype, you paid $12 for a loaf at your local bakery, and you've thought to yourself, surely I can do this. Well, maybe you can, maybe you can't. But for those who are doubting yourselves, then we have put together this incredible sourdough starter kit, which gives you all of the tips and tricks and all of the ingredients and tools so that you can become an artisan at-home baker and join the professionals. So what comes in the kit is 2 kilos of Artisan strong white bread flour. We also have our brand new Dehydrated Starter Flakes. So in the world of sourdough, the reason why people love it so much is because it only consists of typically 3 ingredients, being flour, water and salt. That's it. But in order to get our flour to rise and prove, we have to produce what's called a starter or a culture before that. Typically that would take 1 to 2 weeks depending on temperature and environmental settings, but we have produced our very own dehydrated flakes that are already pre-activated. You just add flour and water to these, and in as little as 48 hours you can have a bubbling starter ready to start your sourdough baking journey. So we have in here as well the rice flour to dust off your banneton so that your dough doesn't stick there. We've got a jar for your starter to put into your fridge when you're not, and all the other different tools that you need in order to produce a loaf of sourdough bread. Now, we've also put together a real nice comprehensive flyer that will go also to the website with tutorials via video as well, so you can follow along step by step through the days of making sourdough and hopefully produce that real nice, airy, bubbly loaf of sourdough bread.